Good day, everyone. I just wanted to come on the video and explain what is going on in Jamaica. Yes, we understand we go through a crisis. Yes, we understand COVID pandemic, and we're trying to do our best for just survive in this country. But I'm telling you, people, be vigilant. Look out on the eye, because even the places want to think, or the situation want to think they're not going to get into, it's going to happen. Because people are going to use every situation they get to scam and just say, I'm not sure that use scam, but thief.
Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now we have a video to share with you. Really, this says she buys some HiLo and she never checked on the receipt. She just say 11,000 she pay a fee. And the reason why she never know is because she buy it with her card and like she use her cash and buy it. So when she went home and she looked on the receipt and she said, but wait, how come this item is so dear and I'm not buying it so dear? So she looking at the bag and see which item and put it in the bag. But anyway, people, watch the video and comment and tell me what you have to say about this. If you feel there's something in the long time or just one simple mistake.
Good day, everyone. I just wanted to come on the video and explain what is going on in Jamaica. Yes, we understand we go through a crisis. Yes, we understand COVID pandemic, and we're trying to do our best for just survive in this country. But I'm telling you, people, be vigilant. Look out on the eye, because even the places want to think, or the situation want to think they're not going to get into, it's going to happen. Because people are going to use every situation they get to scam and just say, I'm not sure that use scam, but thief, and forget as much as them can get out of people. Look at me, hardworking me. Go to the supermarket, HiLo. I'm not tell lie. See it here, look. I'm not tell lie. Because I'm not come to make public mischief or anything. Me, I tell you as it is. Facts, truth. HiLo. I'm go there Saturday. I'm going to go back Sunday morning. See it there? Look on it, people. Look. I'm going to go down there, Madam Mean. See it here? $12,000 change I get back. My credit card was run, but I'm going to explain in details everything what I reached. What happened. So I went to HiLo yesterday for shop for the children, because I now go shop little. I just have one big shop, because I'm monthly I get paid, and I have to buy the things one time and make it serve. Anyway, see to your bill come to $29,695.69. Anyway, I come home, did my normal routine, did what I had to do. Then on mind, something just came to mind and said, please go through that bill. Just something just came to me this month, said go through the bill. And me and my niece go through the bill. When I look on the bill, something they on the bill for 11,000. Let me tell you the truth. $11,217.83. If I buy 3 it would have come to $32,643.89. So me I say, which item me could have buy for $11,000? So I need search the whole house, bathroom, everywhere pack out the sitting them, the fridge, everything she can't find at the item there. So and then I said, Tina, no, this is not right. So anyway, I put on my clothes. I just come back from down there. Put on my clothes, go down there and ask the woman to tell me which item pan the bill come to. I know which item in the supermarket come to $11,000. If she show it to me, me buy it. Me pay for it if me see it. She said, no, we're gonna fix the bill for it's obviously an error. I said, error? Which item in the store plugged into your system costs $11,000? Show it to me. She take the bill from me and she gone one corner and she gone do this and she gone do that. Anyway, she said she'll rectify it, because the only thing that is not cashed on my bill is a cake I bought for my son's birthday, which is today, for $2,400. When I look, goody, her body or whatever it is, what she has said. So the cashier entered wrong code. Cashier entered wrong code. I said, okay, which coded item in your system is $11,000? Show it to me. She said it's over the bakery side. I said, what? The machine? Cause this is serious. What could I be over the bakery side for $11,000? And if I had bought 3 of it, it's $32,000. Which item over there? I now make the public mystery, people. HiLo. But I did not come on here to show up HiLo. I came on this live thing or this video to tell you that you ought to be vigilant. Search the bill, because not HiLo alone I do it. What about the little people who can't read and write? What about the little people who can't look on the bill? The blind, the vulnerable group, the little old people them. The blue collar people are not gonna miss $500. They're not gonna miss $1,000. They're not gonna miss $5,000. If you bill big, them are gonna look like me look. But what if I never look? Who gets that money? People will have to be vigilant and care about people. Me will work so hard in wherever me I work for save people life. They must try to take my life. I must take my life. For you, if you ever know much hours me have to work for get $11,000, you would be very, very, very sad and a cry for me. When me have to go through to earn $11,000, the hours from my foot, and then if you know that somebody gonna come and be so dishonest, what item the manager could not show me the item in the store for $11,000? This is something my bakery side. I asked her if it's a machine or the glass something for cool the item. People broadcast this. We need to look out for each other. We need to be vigilant. We need to care about people. Because even in this crisis, people don't have it. But they might make it work. We cannot allow the giants to get away with these things. I'm not told I tell about the wholesale situation. When me have to turn back from where I'm going. I got the item and turn back. I have to go back to this wholesale. Go tell the man say, what on this bill costs this money? Him a talking in Chinese language and him give me back my change. Because I showed him everything that I bought. And it never took me minutes to go back to him. And it realized that he overcharged me for an item. People look out on the eye, check your bill them, because people using this opportunity to be advantageous, to just take disadvantage of people, and them earn people bills still have to pay. The wholesale them rent have to pay. Who them going tax? Who them going cheat? People look out on the eye. Be careful. Love